All right, another live look at our Source Smart Skycam tonight, and a little bit different perspective here. This is, again, the Best Western waterfront in North Fort Myers, looking across the Caloosahatchee River, and you can see the visibility has dropped off significantly there as we're looking at some showers and a couple of isolated thunderstorms that have popped up across the area. Some pretty decent downpours going on now through parts of the South Cape and into Fort Myers, so really kind of a slow go along the Tamiami Trail and down south on I-75. You can see it there. So this rain will continue at least for the next half hour to 45 minutes or so. So if you're going to be heading out in the next few minutes, if you live in those areas, make sure you have the rain gear. We're also tracking some rain that is still going on through parts of Sarasota County. So Northport, rain just north of town, and then more rain out towards Arcadia. We've been watching this band of showers that has been mainly just to the south of Highway 70 here. Heading east out of Arcadia, and you can see most of that rain, though, is on the light side. It's not nearly as heavy as it was. We were looking at these showers earlier in Collier County along Immokalee Road and down towards Pine Ridge and Vanderbilt Beach Road. Those showers have since dissipated and moved off towards the east. So it looks like things are getting a little better in some spots, and more redevelopment is actually occurring in other areas. Where it's been raining most recently, we've seen temperatures drop off into the upper 70s. That would be places like Clewiston and Moorhaven, but areas that have had a little chance to recover during the afternoon with a little bit of sunshine, we've rebounded into the mid to upper 80s, and places like Marco Island and Naples are no exception to that. So lingering rain here for this evening. Rain chances, though, should taper off later on tonight, but we will be watching more redevelopment offshore as showers and storms continue to develop in this very moist air mass. The atmosphere is very moist from the ground up. And as a result of that, these storms have no problem producing a lot of rain in a very short period of time. As a matter of fact, there was a flood watch in effect for portions of Glades and Hendry County earlier. That will be allowed to expire at about 8 o'clock here for tonight. But again, those showers and storms have been dropping a lot of rain, and there have been some flooding issues over on the East Coast as a result of that, as they've been getting most of the rain here during the afternoon and evening. I think the same pattern stays in place here for tomorrow, so we're expecting more showers and storms here across the area, starting off near the coast and offshore in the morning, and then gradually spreading inland with the most coverage inland and east coast during the afternoon. That's kind of the way things go with a southwesterly flow. And it looks like this flow is going to stick around through most of the week. It looked like at one time we would get back to an easterly flow, but I think predominantly we're going to have a southwest flow, which means that Wednesday we're going to have the same story. Showers and storms near the coast and then spreading inland here during the afternoon and evening hours, although the coverage of showers and storms should start to decrease some here later in the week, and temperatures will actually go up. So tonight's forecast, once we get rid of the rain that's out there now, partly cloudy skies overnight tonight, 77 your overnight low, and then 89 for tomorrow with showers and storms throughout the morning and afternoon. So just be ready. Anytime during the day, you'll likely get doused with some showers and storms. Better chances, though, near the coast in the morning. Another look at your Ingman Marine forecast. Seas running 2 feet or less with a west wind at 5 knots. Inland waters smooth to a light chop with showers and storms over the Gulf throughout the morning and afternoon and over Lake Okeechobee, particularly during the late afternoon and evening hours. 7-day forecast shows more chances for rain this week, shifting more towards the afternoon and evening later in the week with slightly warmer temperatures getting back into the low 90s for highs as early as Thursday and then continuing through the upcoming weekend.
Not so sweet.